already shown you guys how I got this result to doing deep condition my hair. So if you guys want to see how that goes, then keep on watching. Alright, so look, we in quarantine and I've just been working out every day. So I've been neglecting my hair a little bit. So yeah, this is the craziness that we have unraveled. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my hair with some water. Personally, for me, when I'm deep conditioning, I feel it's way easier to apply the deep conditioner when your hair is damp. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Alright, so I'm going to be using the BRIOGEO, I believe that's how you say it. I'm going to be using their hair mask. Give that the focus. Come on. Alright, so I'm going to take a generous amount, like so, like that. You could add more as you go. And I'm going to start applying it from the ends on up. Leave no curl behind. Alright you guys, so next up I'm going to apply this oil that I have made, and if you guys haven't seen how I made this hair oil, you guys can check out my previous video. I like to apply this oil when I pre-poo and when I deep condition, so this is what I'm going to be using. Y'all, no joke though, this oil has my hair growing super fast, and I got it cut, I want to say in June or July, but love it. And just apply all over. I like to give it a good rub. Alright, so once I finish applying, I'm just going to wrap my hair up in a little bun. Alright, so after that, I like to wrap my hair up in a bun, and we're going to go in with the next step. So I found this bonnet dryer on Amazon, and I've heard great reviews about it, so I always wanted one, so I finally got my hands on one of these. I'm going to put the link down below in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Alright you guys, so this is the dryer, and I'm just going to show you how to do it. Alright, this is a little bonnet cap. Well, it comes in this convenient little compartment. It has the settings here for hot and warm, and this is just if you want it high, low, and of course off. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. Alright, so after I plugged it in, I'm going to go ahead and connect this. This is the cap, and you connect it to the thingy. Come closer, bitch. Alright, you guys, I got a big hand, so. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna let it sit for a good 30 minutes, and I'll be back. Now that that's done with, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and I'll be right back. Guys, I just finished washing my hair. I just want to mention I love this hair turban. This is from Ackies, but it is so huge. You guys see that? Like, and it has a little button right here where you could just hook it through. Yeah, boom. So yeah, this is my favorite style so far. But yeah, you guys, look how moisturized my curls look. definition though. Like they look so moisturized. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply product. I don't want to make this video super long because it's just a deep conditioning video, so I'll definitely upload a curly hair routine updated version soon. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. Be back. So I forgot to record a video for you guys, so this is the next day, but this is the results from my deep condition. For some reason lately my hair has been pretty flat, so I'm loving the volume from this. So I'm loving the volume right now. I'm gonna show you guys a tea bag of it. Alright you guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed my deep condition routine, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!